Welcome back everyone to another market analysis here on the TMP Finance channel, where we make short-term and long-term investing simple. I want to talk about the market today and what's kind of been leading us up to this very moment here. So we did have this breakthrough of this support line. Now this support line has been very strong, as I mentioned in all my previous videos. It's held us up in the bull trend ever since we left the 2022 bear market. And this is the very first break of the support line that we've had. And this happened on Monday. We had this break here. So of course, I had a bit of an idea that we could start to see prices move down a little bit lower to the next support. But we kept getting these touches, and then on Friday we got left on a bit of a cliffhanger because we did get that engulfing candle here, and we also got this break of resistance over here. So this did indicate that we were ready to move up on Monday, which would be today, and that's exactly what we did here. So for the bulls, it is looking good now. Looks like we did have a bit of a fake out here, and it looks like if we can hold up this support break over here, we are looking to move a little bit higher. So let's take a look at the market conditions over here. We're still in extreme fear when it comes to the S&P 500, and the heat map today was a bit mixed. It was very green for most of the sectors here, but the main sectors that the NASDAQ relies on, such as electronics and technology, was very mixed. And it's unfortunate because today the market moved up 1.3%, and then it kind of tapered down to 0.86, I believe. That's what we finished at today. So there we go. I do want to talk about a couple different things that you could be expecting, whether you are a bull or a bear, a couple different scenarios of how you're going to play this current move. Because right now, I did say I want to wait for more confirmation, and this, I believe, gives me enough confirmation to make a good decision about where we're seeing the market go from here. So let's talk about first the bull scenario over here. So the bull scenario was going to be a break of this support line, and now I'm looking for a touch of 20,750 over here. Now, why this number here? Well, there's a couple reasons. Not only is it a very strong support and a very strong resistance, right? We had a previous all-time high here, and a lot of touches in the recent months over here, kind of keeping us in a range. Not only that, if we do take a look at the market in the past month here, we can see that it's been very bearish, and we've been falling very, very hard, even harder than we did in August of 2024, and I'll just put them right next to each other, as you can see. And in August of 2024, we did have a touch and a huge bounce off the support line, but here we didn't have enough strength, and a lot of weakness showed in the bull market, and we did get a break here. So what do I kind of expect from that? Well, maybe this is a chance here for a lower high in a bear market trend, right? So we can get this lower high and then possibly lower low. So if you are kind of a pessimist when it comes to trading, or you just want to be safe here, I'll say this is a great take profit area for you over here, because then again, there is a chance that you could get a rejection of the support line, and you can move all the way back down to this 18,300 line that I've mentioned in my previous videos. This is another very strong support line because this is a previous all-time high, and we've got a lot of strong touches and bounces off this support line, creating new all-time highs every single time we've met there. So if you are a bull, you could expect a move all the way up here. If you are a bear, you could be shorting the market at this support, or we could just break through this trend line again, and we could just start moving straight down to 18,300. And I believe that is a possibility as well, just because the market has been moving extremely fast on its way down, even compared to 2024 over here. So it does make sense that we have a bit of a buffer before we start to move a little bit lower here too. So those are things that you can keep an eye on. I do want to take a look at the individual stocks holding up the market here. So let's go take a look at that. Let's start off by taking a look at the leader of the NASDAQ 100 being Apple. It's the heaviest weighted stock in the index currently, and we are currently down 17.5% from the previous all-time high that we had in 2024, and we were all the way down at nearly 20% just a couple days ago. So that is quite a significant of a drop in the stock, and if you are looking to average out, it's going to be a great time to do so. I mean, every 3 years you are looking at about a new all-time high for the stock too. So it's always great if you are a long-term investor. If you are interested in getting good information of when you can do your swing trades or day trades when it comes to the individual stocks too, you can find that information in the Discord link, which is found in the description of this video here. But you do have a lot of upside to move when it comes to a new all-time high, especially if the market starts to rally here and we do get that bull breakout. You do want to get into these trades fairly soon here. Let's take a look at Microsoft over here, and we are currently down 17, just kind of like Apple here. The big difference that I'm seeing here is that we've kind of kept at the same price ever since late 2023. So I'm kind of surprised to see that deep of a pullback in Microsoft. So this is a great place, and we're kind of bouncing off the support level over here. This is a great place to get into the stock as well. And if you are looking for a good long position, you can wait for this break of resistance over here as well. This has been proven to be a pretty strong resistance in this early half or early quarter of the year here, and that is what I'm looking forward to. If you are looking to beat the market, or you're looking for more support in your trading journey, come take a look at the link in the description for the Discord server, where we're currently beating the market by 10.5%, while investors have been sitting 3 months and they've only made 0.6%. So it's been a very volatile ride for them. It's been a pretty straight up ride for us. So if you are looking for more support when it comes to trade alerts, when you're looking for hot monthly stock picks, and you're also looking for free trading sessions learning about anything that you want more detail about, you can come find that information in the link in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great trading day tomorrow. Best of luck, and we'll see you then. Peace, y'all.